Hello friends, and welcome to this tutorial on how to implement multiple secondary stock in Marg software. As you know that in Marg software you can manage secondary stock, means you can maintain your inventory MRP wise, batch wise, tag wise or on any such criteria base. But then too there are some trades where inventory is maintained on multiple criteria base, like for example in garments, footwear, where you see inventory is maintained size wise, color wise and design wise. So to maintain this type of inventory, Marg has developed a multiple secondary stock field. Through this option you can maintain your inventory in multiple layers. Like let's take the example of garment shop. Suppose a customer demands for Levi's brand shirt of blue color and in medium size. So he has mentioned three criterias. Now on those three criterias you have to search for the product. So through the software itself what you can do is directly select the brand that you have created, select the color and size, and the shirt will load in the bill. Like here you see these are the available stock. Now the customer has demanded for small size shirt. So I will select small from here. Select the color the customer has demanded for, suppose red, and the design, suppose party wear. And these fields can be self-defined. Suppose in place of color I define group, under which I define female, male, children, and in place of size I can define material, and under that cotton, silk, etc. So you can self-define these fields. Then press enter after selecting your filters. Define the quantity, MRP, etc. And here the shirt of the required criteria has loaded in the bill. So to satisfy this type of requirement, this option multiple secondary stock field has been developed. Similarly in other trades as well, like footwear trade, size wise, design wise and color wise inventory is maintained. Similarly, this option can be used in furniture store, where inventory can be maintained size wise, material wise and style of chair. And in crockery store you can maintain your stock according to capacity, according to material and brand, like sticky, non-sticky. So in this way you can maintain your complete inventory on different layers and different criteria base. So friends, let's see how can we implement this in Marg software. Firstly, we will have to turn some options on from the control room. We'll search for pop-ups, press page down, and here you see the first field is batch size. In multi parts it pop-up size, color and design. We require multiple secondary stocks, so we'll select this, set this to yes. Next is fix in company, category, salt, commodity field. Means on which base do you want to create this multi-secondary field? On company base, category base, salt base or commodity base. For now we'll select company. Next is fix size, color, design in item master. If you want the base on item master as well, so you'll set this to yes. Then as you select yes, you switch down to these fields, to these editable fields. We took an example of a shirt where our shirts are maintained size wise, color wise and design wise. So we'll keep this as it is. But if you want, then you can change these according to your trade or requirement. Then we'll press escape and save the changes. Then we'll go on masters, inventory masters. And here you see size master, color master and design master. Firstly, let's go on item master and create a new item. We'll create an item shirt and save this. Then let's create size master. To create a new size, we'll press F2 function key. Here you have code where you can define a short name or a code to your size. For example, S for small, L for large and M for medium. You can create another size if you want by again pressing F2 function key. Now let's create color. Press F2. Let's say B for blue, R for red and G for green. Now let's create designs. Party wear, formal wear and casual wear. Now it's time to create companies and brands. We'll press F2 function key. Define the brand name, let's say Peter England. Enter on yes. And we'll create another brand, Levi's. Then as we press F3 to modify a brand, here some new options get added. And here you can see your secondary fields, size, color and design. Here you can define the size, color and design this brand makes or has. Now you'll see as we press enter. First the size window will appear. Now Levi's brand has products in large size, medium size and small size. So I select these by pressing space. Enter. Then the color window appeared and it has all the colors blue, green and red. And in design this brand has only casual wear and formal wear. Then press escape. So you have defined default secondary fields for Levi's brand. Now let's go on item master. Enter on our product shirt. And here you see group. We'll select no. Select the group or brand this shirt belongs to. I select Levi's brand because this is Levi's brand shirt. And down here you see three new options of size, color and design. Here you have default, yes and no. Default means that what you have set as default in the group of this item. Like you remember when we modified Levi's brand by pressing F3, we selected the size, color and design the brand makes or has. So we had defined the default secondary fields for Levi's. So if the same you want to apply for this shirt, like for this shirt also we have casual wear and formal wear and in red, blue and green color, means the same that we defined for Levi's. So you will set this to default. Next if we set this to yes, then you will have a list of sizes that you have created and then you can select from those what sizes you keep of the shirt. Or you will select no if you don't maintain this shirt size wise. The same applies for color and design. For now we'll select yes for all of these. And here you see the list of sizes have appeared. So we have this shirt in large size, medium size and small size. Enter. And we have this shirt in all the three colors. Enter. And in all the three designs. So now we have created our inventory. Now let's purchase it. Select the item shirt. So here we switch down to these filters. Now I have purchased this shirt in large size, green in color and in the casual wear design. Define the MRP if you want. Define the quantity of shirts you are purchasing. Purchase rate. So we have purchased 100 quantity large size shirts which are green in color and casual in design. And we are purchasing medium size shirts, blue in color, in formal wear design. So we have purchased Levi's shirt in different sizes, colors and design. Now we'll save this purchase bill. Now let's go on sale bill. Select the item that you are selling. Enter. Either you can directly feed the quantity here you are selling or you can press escape. Or you can directly select from here or press escape. Like here you see a Levi's shirt is available in small size red color and party wear design, and in medium size blue in color and formal wear, and large size green color casual wear. So from here you can take a view that whether the required shirt is available in the required color and design or not. Now I select medium, blue and formal design. So in this way you can maintain multiple secondary stock in Marg software. Apart from this, you can view your stock status by going on stocks, filtered stock. And here you see size, color and design. Like if we select yes on selected size, then here you can simply select the size of shirts you want to filter. Similarly, you can filter color and design that enter or accept. So in this way you can view filtered stock. So friends, in this way we learned about multiple secondary stock. Thanks for watching.